Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. EveCalma here, and thank you so much for all your love and support. Today I am making a beans vegetables salad, and it is a party recipe. What we need are a third of a lemon juice, cilantro, apples, salt, ground black pepper, celery stalks, olive oil, carrots, sliced ripe olives, white kidney beans, red kidney beans, and chickpeas. So let's get started and follow along. Now the best part is to try my hard work. A salad is so good. My friends, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, drop a comment, and if you have not done already, please subscribe and turn the bell next to it. I hope to see you next Friday. Happy cooking, and I hope you all have a great week ahead. Bye for now.